self-discipline, kailangang marunong kang dus magdisiplina sa sarili mo. Eating good food na alam mong hindi makakapagpataba sa'yo. Burning, be conscious parati na, "Uy, sobra na 'yan. Uy, napadami na ako ng sweets." Be conscious parati sa ini-intake mong food kasi the more you have calories in your body at hindi mo naman ginagamit or hindi mo bini-burn, it will convert into fats, and bad sugars. Then working out to keep my physical look kasi, um, I mean, frankly, if you go to different places na hindi mo alam o di ka kilala ng mga tao, the first impression is yung look mo, ija-judge ka agad ng mga tao. So if you present yourself very good, your posture, mapapansin ka na agad. Then they will start to have interest of knowing you more deeper to your personality, to your character. And then ano lang, self-motivation and iwas sa mga negative negative stress kasi it will bring you down.